Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV chenro en marang'ich welo duchieng' ma gwenge mopogore opogore ne obage yiero ma adundo. Kethruok mar mwandu ne obede ward ma Nyansiongo e Kerenyo kod Nyamaiya kama ne obage yiero ma adundo. Mano tulo mokelo hinyruok mar jolutombulu ma kuom jolutombulu ne ywak ma ahinya ni ne ewi kweth moko ma bende temo kelo mibadhi e yierogo. Nyamburu koma ichich ni oterogo jogo opore lo jod bura mathoth Silvanus Osoro bende ne okethi kinde tulo makamano.
Those boys, they were goons, were armed with the pangas, rungus, and the stones. There were some people who was not identity. So those boys started to mock us. That's why the resident of Nyansiongo stood up to ask, what's wrong with you guys?
Wanipika panga ikaingia pande hii, ikakuja pande hii. Hapa ndio inanisika. Sasa hii niko na gusi 4. Sasa nauliza, hii ni Kenya?
Kitu ambaye imetushangaza sana ni kwamba tulipiga ripoti kulikuwa na ofisa wa polisi mwenye alikuwa anasimamia hiki kituo. Tukapiga simu kwa sub county OCPD, lakini mpaka saa hizi hakuna hatua ambayo imechukuliwa.
How can the Inspector General of Police allow an honorable member of parliament to move around in a place where we are undertaking peaceful elections, move around with guns, armed with arrows, with pangas, with crude weapons, to cause chaos?
Of course, kumekuwa na gunism kidogo ilikuwa inakuwa perpetuated na ambao wanasema wanataka kufanya stuffing of papers, wanataka kufanya fujo, wanataka kufanya nini, but it wasn't anything serious. We have no fatality. And kura, as we come to the home stretch of this election, ambayo ni 5 p.m., generally, Gusii has been okay.